I am excited about this next story.
Okay.
There is a Puerto Rican rapper.
How'd you say it?
Puerto Rican?
Oh, I thought you had a little smooth in there, or tried to. Puerto Rican.
He is a rapper by the name of Bad Bunny.
Mm-hmm.
And so yesterday, December 28th, he did a surprise concert.
Oh, wow. Yesterday?
Yeah, it was yesterday. And so there is an organization called Good Bunny Foundation that he runs. It's a nonprofit that helps kids with the arts and sports and something else. Oh, music, of course. And so they do an annual gift drive. They went to this city in Puerto Rico, and they gave out 25,000 gifts. And they did it for like people of all ages. But they gave away art supplies and sports equipment and some instruments. And so like people were really excited, obviously.
That's pretty cool.
And so he ended up doing an impromptu concert after this drive on the top of a gas station.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Like he had this huge crowd out there, and he was like, you know what? I think I'll do a concert.
That's incredible.
Yeah, he did. And he actually did like a few songs. It wasn't just, get up there and sing one song, but he did like 3 or 4 songs.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So.
Bad Bunny. Who'd have thunk it?
Yep.
You a fan of Bad Bunny?
I've never heard Bad Bunny.
There's some people that somebody was talking to mentioned, I don't know, this is unrelated, but somebody like my age or maybe a little younger was saying how they like Bad Bunny. It never occurs to me to listen to that kind of thing.
Gotcha.
Pitbull, all that Puerto Rican rap stuff.
I like Pitbull.
Oh, you do?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Well, I don't have anything about that. I mean, that's all I have about that. Do you have anything else?
That's it.